Welcome students. Today we solve two questions from NECTA 1996 Form 4. Stick with me and let's solve it together step by step. The questions say, solve by using factors. A, they gave us k plus 6 over k minus 4. This is equal to 1 over k. So we need to find the value of k. We need to solve for k. What you are going to do first, I'm going to put this into the bracket, then I'm going to cross and multiply. That is k multiplied by k plus 6. This is equal to 1 multiplied by k minus 4. Let us open the bracket. That is k multiplied by k, we get k squared plus 6 multiplied by k, we get 6k. This is equal to 1 multiplied by k, it is k minus 1 multiplied by 4, it is 4. Let us bring k and minus 4 to the left hand side. We have k squared plus 6k minus k plus 4. This is equal to 0. Let us simplify our equation. We have k squared, 6k minus k, we get plus 5k plus 4. This is equal to 0. So we get a quadratic equation. Let us solve for k. We are going to use the splitting the middle term. A multiplied by c, it is 4. So our factors is 1 and 4. That is 1 plus 4, it is 5. And 1 multiplied by 4, we get 4. So we are going to have k squared plus k plus 4k plus 4. This is equal to 0. We are going to find factors here. We are going to factor out k. Inside we are going to remain with k plus 1. Here I'm going to factor out 4. Inside I'm going to remain with k plus 1. This is equal to 0. So we have k plus 4 and k plus 1. This is my factors. That is equal to 0. So k plus 4 is equal to 0. That gives us k is equal to minus 4 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. That gives us k is equal to minus 1. So the value of k is equal to minus 4 and k is equal to minus 1. Let us go and solve b. They gave us log b base b power 2x squared minus x. This is equal to 1. So first of all, I'm going to put the power into bracket. Then I'm going to drop the power in front of log. That is going to be 2x squared minus x log b base b. This is equal to 1. But I know log b base b is equal to 1. That is going to be 2x squared minus x multiplied by 1. This is equal to 1. That is 2x squared minus x. This is equal to 1. I'm going to bring 1 to the left hand side. we are going to have 2x squared minus x minus 1. This is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. We have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So AC is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1, which is going to be minus 2. I'm going to find the factor of minus 2. That will bring to me minus x. That is going to be 1 and minus 2. That is 1 multiplied by minus 2, I get minus 2. And 1 plus minus 2, I get minus 1. So let us split the middle term. 2x squared minus 2x plus x minus 1. This is equal to 0. Let us factor it out. I'm going to factor out 2x. I'm going to remain with x inside minus 1. Here I'm going to factor out 1. I'm going to remain with x minus 1. This is equal to 0. So our factors are 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. So this is equal to 0. Let us solve for x. 2x plus 1, this is equal to 0. So we have 2x, this is equal to minus 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. We get x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Also, we have x minus 1 equal to 0. We get x is equal to 1. So the value of x are x is equal to minus 1 over 2 and x is equal to 1. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. See you next time. Bye.